Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel.
First question: which city is known as the temple city of India? Answer: Bhubaneswar. Next question: which city is known as the culture capital of Odisha? Answer: Sambalpur. Which city is called Silver City of India? Answer: Cuttack city. Which city is called Rice Bowl of Odisha? Answer: Baragad. Which city is called Diamond City of Odisha? Answer: Sambalpur. Which city is called Silk City of Odisha? Answer: Berhampur. Which city is called Industrial Capital of Odisha? Answer: Rourkela. Which city is called Spiritual Capital of Odisha? Answer: Puri. Which city is called Gateway of East India? Answer: Cuttack. Which city is called City of Temples and Craft of Odisha? Answer: Sonpur Subarnapur. Which city is called Linguistic Dominant of East? Answer: Cuttack city. Which city is called Sports Capital of India? Answer: Bhubaneswar. Which city is known as Aluminium City of Odisha? Answer: Anugul city. Which city is called Dutiya Srikshetra Second Puri of Odisha? Answer: Baripada. Which city is called Banikhetra of Odisha? Answer: Jagatsinghpur. Which city is called IT City of India? Answer: Bhubaneswar. Which city is called Dominant City of Ancient India? Answer: Cuttack city. Which city is called Handloom City of Odisha? Answer: Sambalpur city. Which city is called Millennium City of Odisha? Answer: Cuttack city. Which city is called Steel City of Odisha? Answer: Rourkela. Which place of Odisha is known as the Chari Khetra? Answer: Puri, Konark, Jajpur and Bhubaneswar. Which place of Odisha is known as the Shankha Khetra? Answer: Puri. Which place of Odisha is known as the Chakra Khetra? Answer: Bhubaneswar. Which place of Odisha is known as the Gada Khetra? Answer: Jajpur. Which place of Odisha is known as Padma Khetra? Answer: Konark. Which place of Odisha is known as the Tulasi Khetra? Answer: Kendrapada. Which hill station is popularly known as the Kashmir of Odisha? Answer: Daringbadi. Who wrote Bande Utkal Janani, the official state song of Odisha? Answer: Lakshmikanta Mahapatra. Who was the first person to translate Mahabharata into Odia language? Answer: Sarala Das. Which one is the largest district of Odisha by area? Answer: Mayurbhanj. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for all types of English general knowledge.